I woke up this morning to the sound of the rain on my window, and I love it. But then I'm like, damn, I gotta get up. I gotta get up and go to fucking work. You ever just be thinking like, damn, sitting here trying to calculate how much PTO time you have. Like, damn, is it too late to do a little cough this morning? Like, is it too late? Because I just really want to get back in my bed. I just want to be back in my bed and be real lazy. I want to eat some French toast and have some coffee and, and just lay in the bed until the kids come home from school and do nothing. Like, this is one of them days, I ain't got no dude, so I can't do nothing nasty. But if I did, today would be the day. You know what I'm saying? But, I should have took PTO today. Damn, what was I thinking? Y'all have a good day.